Hi, welcome to the opening video of my Design Space class, There's Nothing to Be Afraid of. This is the opening page of Design Space. You've all hopefully seen it before. As you can see, some of my projects are on here. You can download some of those from my blog. We're going to start a new project, and that is this little button right here. In this video, we're going to cover this menu right here, all of the things that are on there. Starting at the top, the first one is new. This is the button that you press if you want to start a new project. This button is the templates button. I don't use this a whole lot because I pretty much know what I want to do, but this lets you do mock-ups of cards, clocks, dog sweaters, and lets you start out with something to attach it to. This button is the projects button. Press it. It gives you all of the projects that are already in Design Space. And I suggest that you start with a simple one, like a t-shirt design. We'll click on this Wild One t-shirt. It gives you a picture of what the finished product looks like. It gives you a description, maybe some materials that you need, and instructions on how to do it. It tells you what graphics and fonts you need to finish this. I do suggest you be an Access member. It saves you money because all of these graphics are included with Access. You see this green A here? That means that it's included with Access. It just makes financial sense. You get a free month of it when you register a new machine. You'll find that it's worth it. The next one is the images. And again, you'll see the little A's next to things. All of them are Access. Each image gives you a picture of what it looks like. It tells you whether it's Access or not by this little A in the green flag in the corner. It tells you how much it would be if you didn't have Access. That's how much that graphic costs. And this information button, if you click on it, tells you the name of the image, the number, which I have no idea how their system works, but okay, there's the number, and tells you what cartridge it's on, and then a link to buy the image. Now I have Access, so I already own the image. The next button here is the text button. You'll see down here it gives you a spot that's where you can add text, and we're just going to type happy birthday. And as you see, it puts it in the Cricut Sans font and font size of 72. That's up here. These boxes we will go over in the text section of this tutorial series, but I just wanted everybody to know how it works. The next section is the Shapes button. Now, Design Space comes with a few built-in shapes. And we're just going to put some shapes on here. It makes them all the same size. And makes them all this not so beautiful gray color. You can change the color. You can change the size. And I'll show you how to do that when we get to the tutorial on the Shapes menu. Again, right now we're just covering the menu and seeing what it does. All of that stuff will be changed up here when I go over this menu. We're going to select all and delete all that. This button is the Upload button. It's where you would upload an image, and these are some of the images I've uploaded recently, and we'll go in detail there in a video section called Uploading SVGs. That is the first menu. Fairly simple. In the next video, we'll go over, we'll go over this top menu and how to use it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, but this isn't that difficult, and again, there's nothing to be scared of. Okay, thank you very much. I'm the Crazy Cricut Lady.